Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We begin with news that the US dollar today surged to a new high, reaching $132.98. The Canadian dollar is also up, selling for $101.19. The pound closed at $176.89, while the euro is now going for $151.49 on average. Crude oil continued sliding today on the back of growing tension between the United States and China and anticipation of a difficult OPEC meeting, which is to take place on Friday. But at the end of trading, oil for delivery in July held firm, settling at $65.69 a barrel. The JSE index lost 578 points today, while the junior market index gained 15 points. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Producers, Express Catering, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Properties, and Lasco Manufacturing. On the losing side were Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement Company, Elite Diagnostics, General Accident Insurance Company, Honeybun, Jamaica Producers, KLE Group, and Lasco Distributors. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.